Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. It all belongs to you. Now, this is that show called Know Them Better. You know what it is. Okay, guys. Like I want to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. We're now sitting on 6.5 almost. Like I'm saying, can we go to that 10 grand so we can push it further? But then, over and above that, what it tells me, you guys are in support of this, are engaging with me. You want to see more of such content. You want to learn more about our people, which is key and critical. Because at the end of the day, if we don't do this and if you don't know them, what are they doing all these things for? Because you need to know them. Maybe, who knows, you could be a writer one day as well. Maybe, who knows, you could create stuff that's crazy. Now, this is a show, Know Them Better. You ask the questions. Now, here's Tembiso. Is she Tembiso or is Tembiso? Tembiso. Mabasa.
Tembiso Mabasa. Logore leri nike naramkwembu. Ime Tembiso ngwamiyela Mabasa.
You heard it?
No akacheleni kashigamani.
You can Kashigamani.
Kashigamani lega malamlele etipuru ngwanra bahlengwe. We were moved from Avenda to, because in the original settlement, I read what we know today as land. Then we moved to Kashigamani. And wawanandlela leya loko ba uya straight ukhawuya kamalamlela. No bona kampambu.
Yes.
Lami ngashuta Giyani. Ani mshuta Giyani akampambu.
Yes, we showed that.
The village le in the north. Let's take Kampambu yali.
Yes.
The village on this side. Yes. Amiriboni, but just anikuna shkolo la by the main road.
Yes, there's a school by the main road.
Yes. Mina, that's where I come from.
Is it?
Yeah, that's my home.
Okay. Yeah. If someone has already asked where he comes from, we know. Okay, well, now you stay so original.
Mara nikulele antlabeni a block C alaga malamle. Iloksuana le Salema. They're close. The most famous person from that side.
You.
Sure. I mean, Salema Island Tavern, you were just in proximity. You were under Ming.
Okay.
And now we just say Lama Chokolobzani. That land actually original was used to be Kruger National Park.
Is it?
Another force removers. Waga in Abatamasan Tumure, Kakokwan.
Where is that?
Tumure is in Venda.
Oh yeah.
Then they were forcefully moved to Antlabin Block C.
When? Because
in the 60s, Lokobasongola apartheid, obviously.
The homelands and stuff like that.
In Magobatsongana Bavenda used to live as one. No, Chagalir, I relab. And then
I want to say that in English so someone can hear that. Yes.
They don't want this nonsense. And then
of vendors
and some people living together.
We
we lived together. We studied look at cultural customs that show the length of our relationship. Our initiation schools are in Shivend, both females and we borrowed that custom from that side, from Abavend.
Yes, sir.
And then we incorporated Kashitong. So mabito fana na bompepu loko bakokona mpepu mabito laba ukuma ko angomini ya Shivenda. That's why they have vendor names. Ambe na batsonga loko yimba babanuna ya kamatlala in literally like Matala. And kuna weight like bomb chimber and young women, but I know because of research. But like there's a lot of Karanga influences.
But I heard, I don't know how true it is. This apparently, when you speak of research, because you've researched this initiation school practices.
Yeah.
How did you go about that? Because apparently you can't. They can't tell you. They shouldn't tell you, but how?
No, I don't know me barablanjani. Me na asule sotala niskuma from my cousins. Wana banga ngoma. Papa mina ba alien kuni ngoma. Na fanya ngoma. Fuck that shit. No, sorry.
No, speak up.
Yeah, ba arikona thanga ngona mnange inoveni. Ekunona bzanjani kuzodondwa noveni.
Actually, I think because in my village, there was a point where they used to kidnap kids. Exactly, and it was a normal thing. Like people accepted it.
Yeah, no, that's a normal. My cousin, Mathebula, the character Peru is it's based off him. And plus his friends, Magwinyana, Croc, those are literally a crew of friends.
You came up with that from some that you know?
Yeah, like everything I come up with, it has to come from a real reference. Otherwise, it
comes empty.
Yeah, even more.
Yes.
Say, Mathebula, I well. Let's take ngoma ibambula. Magoma jita mafambini. Yeah, no sell. And the man who wears bedlel, buy ngutsemisa bedlel, buy awela la. Then look abuya the man what jamkela the man funny dude. Plus loko tingu vandzeni evandzela hinkwaswo endleka kule plus my other cousin Madida na yena uyingomeni loko abuya atwanga kun'wana nona sa hambani brekela nga hate so we always have debates ku ri wa xidonda unona so ani kota ku kuma insight kahle ava endla yini
I see.
yeah.
Anyway, guys, I'm still gonna give my own personal questions for this man because trust me, he's very fascinating. Like I said on the thing, I remember in high school, man, I fought with these guys in high school.
Yeah.
That they were trying to insist Kuri Shitonga, and I was 16 at the time. That Tonga people are from the Zulu people.
Yeah.
And I'm like, but guys, it doesn't make sense. Something doesn't make sense. Because man is Shilubana. If I'm Shilubana, what is Shilubana in Zulu? And they could never explain it. And it bothered me a lot. It bothered me a lot until I read some of their content from Viv Mag. That's when was this? Like, honestly, recently, there was a point I used to call myself in Changana myself.
No, all of us.
You know, there was a point until, and it bothered me. But no, guys, it doesn't make sense.
Okay. Yeah, I can't say one of them.
No, we're talking about technical and not technical. As I'm saying, man, I prefer both of them, depending on what we are doing.
Yeah.
Because, man, I'm a storyteller.
Yeah.
And I want to take my time in moments. I'm sure you've seen in certain scenes, Giyani, where outside, like there was a time where I would frustrate my art department.
Yeah.
In fact, I would frustrate the departments. Why? Because they would come with their plan.
Yeah.
And I'm like, but no, guys, no, please, I want this there. Because I want to tell a story the way
we should want to.
You know, yes, you've got your ideas. I'm not gonna, for example, if you come with at the art department or you guys plan something else, I'm not gonna come and change that. I'll take what you guys planned, need together with your things. So marabo, there's a scene where I went with I cost things up and down. Hey guys, Ati wasn't happy with me. Like there was a time I even broke glasses because I wanna go. So in movies.
So I get a man glass.
You see my problem. You see my problem. You see that's the thing. That's my
budget. For by clear, so by lombin, by go charge you penalty. Loco, fight glass.
Guys, can I act? But again, such things what I do because it's TV. I try not to do as much of those things. If it's a film, I break things, bro.
And plus, very obviously, the medium changes in terms of the performance that's required.
Yes.
So
TV it must be technical because we need to move.
TV plus not the of planning the scenes too, and plus South Africa the way it's set up. This Aristotle is more talking heads than
than the thing. And I struggle with that. I can't do talking heads.
No, but the talking heads is something we've been doing from Bonkushe stories. One obviously one sort of action, but because it's safe, it's cheap. Like our modern stories, like the bold and the beautiful. That was talking heads.
I can't.
Days of our lives, talking heads, and those two stories were the model stories for which generation and everything that follows.
You see, we can't give spoilers, of course. Remember you guys when you did the viewing, there's a scene that you saw between me and San, and you feel like, hey, that shit is hot.
Yeah.
The bedroom one.
Now,
no spoilers. But pointing those things is things that I like those things.
To add those
things.
Improvisation, obviously, Mara. Me and I'm coming when I'm a director. I'm coming to Sana.
No, but sometimes I just do, and I just add as you go. But also, you have to understand the director.
No, Pella, what adding is like take a rescue. Your gang size like going for a kiss. Unga ikumang signal. Because look, we improvise everything. After now, you just wasted our time. We need to shoot again.
That's the thing. That's the thing. So what I do, I do is I try to balance the thing.
Yeah,
I give you some of the stuff what you guys want,
and then we add the extra.
I add because I will die.
Yeah. And the extra is that as a writer, look, we are born, and it's like, oh shit, that's not what I was thinking, but I like this.
I hear you. Even which line or scene from a local or international film mesmerized you that you still think about it even to today?
Here's the whole season 1, all of it, everything. Nitsale, in my varsity, I wrote a paper. I think it was social theory or communication or media studies. I wrote a paper about how the impact Izo had on the hood. Izo mfutshitshitshi kutom zameni. If it was not for Izo, I would not be doing TV.
Yeah, like that.
Izo. Ana ngasethama nibona tikarate leti ya ngwe. What? This is amazing.
They were not talking heads there.
Yeah, but
they balanced the two
that
things.
was a different drama. It was, and plus it was not studio based.
Yes.
So once you go studio, you have to do talking heads. And it Karulwa SABC na mali yonyika. As much as about crazy budgets, but they had time to research it. They had time to get lost in the hood. They had time to unearth. That was a different SABC to lay face up, because why? We have to take everything into studio because of costs.
Of course, yes.
Costs. Plus, even the demand of the show. And we're part to change the game now. Other people to say shows have to have like mainstream sponsors, and all those things. Now the game has changed. It's a numbers game. Well, in God, it was not a numbers game. It was about education. But the education went
now it's numbers game, bro.
Now it's a numbers game. This is about SABC education. Scheme Sam is an educational program. But you won't see education like it's just a regular drama, but it is under SABC education. Because education is not selling as bad, but you have to find it, because SABC has that mandate. You have to slot it in there. It has to be in there one way or another.
Yeah. What is your advice to someone wanting to write to find it hard to do so?
Just that. Kutsala awulabi permission ya Xikwembu, awulabi permission ya bakan'wina vale hansi. Teka whatever, whether on a paper or on a laptop, write something.
My son is 14 this year.
Yeah.
From the age of 9, my boy started writing.
Wait, what?
He's got 7 comic books. When I took the first one, I read it. Ne? Do you know how many times I asked him, Papa, who wrote this? Are you sure he wrote this? Called his mother. I called his mother. I'm like, who wrote this? Again. Here's where he hit me. Someone wrote season 1 of Vision something.
So now he's already visioning another season.
He cancelled that whole line. Only wrote volume 1. He understood this whole line. I can sum on
plus this. The beauty of each one, exposure, is exposed to the type of content that he can create his own content.
Yes.
And I need to line up. No, someone must hire me to write. No, I realized I was able to make money of writing myself. I found out the pep was I made a lot of mistakes or something. Mistakes after mistake, but it was my platform. I could
move as you want.
Yeah, I could even decide whatever I want to put on there. So kutsala loko sungula iwesh sukunyeka confidence. That confidence you build it up to be able to get to a point now that okay, now I'm ready for the big leagues. Yeah, come on. And you need to loko ukau the donisa iwesh loko sungula. Oh, if you are right, you need to read, bagay.
Yes.
And I the book and read the textbook, everything.
Download
scripts themselves. All kinds of. It's like local random music. You listen to all kinds of music, right?
You practice the whole day.
You practice the whole day. You consume football stuff. You read articles. It's the same about writing. You need to understand the craft. It's about telling. I have a dope idea. And then you realize
I get people and sometimes they feel like I'm rude. And if I have a movie, I want it to be produced. Here's what I ask them: how many pages is your movie? It's 8 pages, chief. It's no way.
But it's like what's about SABC enter the bar industry. Enter those
call out.
They call out for people to
yes.
How to put together proposals. The issue why Batonga were not on TV because our proposal sucked.
I still we will never expose those things.
We did not even bother to research because these things are on the SABC website.
The format, the font,
the budget, everything. How many copies should I?
And you could have a
message when they put out the call to action. It has everything.
And here's the thing, guys. You know, as much as your story can be great, you can have a great story when the SABCs, the Mnets, the ETVs, when you don't meet certain criteria, they'll throw it out.
It's like basic writing, but loko otsala Shilungu shingana grammatic errors, it makes the reading experience painful. So
exactly.
our consuming kahle that product. So sungula ku rusha through and I was like imbods. Same thing. And shingwan banu abala kupfumela when their stuff is not good enough.
Yes, oh my God.
I don't know how many times I've pitched guys a busy and I've never gotten even one.
I think one of the weaknesses we have as Vatsonga is that
entitlement.
We think we're the most. We think our things are the greatest.
I was greatest entitlement. Babseking ngopfu ikholelo ngopfu itsono sosotala. Say na moya ukhwita it's like otsama bona lo wa batsware mmele ka kokwane. Ola yena mungu like you need to go out your way to make them feel special. Kora teka xiphisani lexi loko miri ku dyeni mitele se miri ku hitini u sungula ku rila Rwanda. Hey na balavo that kid yo. Oh, yo, why that's why when everyone was starting to compare, why bara about to mention Giyani, why am I go anusuboni ka tshakale that one. Say it's like we need to be like them, but that is equality. Kuri now we need to look like them, and I to is good. It's not about that. Loko tsemba ungangena
anywhere
umbale tap ba ku respect. Mara loko nga tsemba utafutama khawula ngenda kutumbeta mnenge ya wena kuri bangabona umbale tap. It's that basic concept. But Tsonga are so entitled, and plus they are misguided. Kuna bantu who are using their anger and their lack of inclusivity to channel that emotions into the wrong noise.
And it comes out, eh?
Yeah, because you just need to say buy rob, and if I'll tell you fellow buy rob.
Baman.
Look at this other. About doing Giyani, this other guy who used to run a radio station. Advice. I'm like, what the fuck you mean? Advice, dude. There's a whole production. I'm a writer. I'm Nila. There's 50 other people part of this thing. Advice advice. Have you seen my written work?
And besides, I'm sure if Olega Posinya run a radio station, advice
you could literally tell it to the big guys by ita properly.
Yes.
Following the right channels.
Yes.
But and on Facebook, this guy is my number. He has everything. He's not bothering. And then but oninyika njani advice or an employee of the big thing. Run a media company, you should understand how production
you know how it works. You know how it works.
So why are you giving advice to a writer
in fact,
on his social?
Aren't you a policy person?
Exactly. Then call the right people and say, guys, I think like this, then I will bring. I think this person can come in at Isala. That's someone.
And I bet the person has
they have that access. And they're supposed to have that access because why? They've been doing this for over 20 years. But anyway, because I've lost respect for that guy, Mako. I was like, no, stop ganging off.
Man.
No, but it was very disappointing for someone like man. And I was station one and then bash challenge one. Number one, when Giyani came in, from the horse in the
please.
To generalize, okay. And the hosting got a responsibility. A union at hosting what support do you need? The academics thing what resources do you need?
The business
how can we help you? By emailing and then but it's like okay. From Garwa Saudi Afamba Kuta one.
Okay.
But anyway,
I think I've been doing TV for close to 20 years.
Yeah.
Albert has been doing TV for close to 30-40 years.
Yeah.
With Charles.
Yeah.
Those guys the academics, the business. If really you are concerned about our language, why didn't you come to guys? Kuna open na Fumani na Charles.
Let's invest in them.
Invest in them and push them. Like what the Zulus are doing, like what the vendors are doing, like what everyone else, what the Africans are doing.
Everyone does it for their own people except us.
And then now when the show is out,
and I'm